Click on the link below to get price. The Heybike Ranger Electric Bike stands out in the crowded e-bike market with its impressive 1400W upgraded motor, allowing riders to reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour. This powerful performance makes it suitable for both commuting and off-road adventures, catering to a wide range of cycling enthusiasts. One of the most noteworthy features of the Ranger is its robust construction. The sturdy aluminum frame not only ensures durability but also keeps the bike lightweight enough for easy maneuvering. Riders will appreciate the adjustable seat and handlebars, which accommodate various heights and provide a comfortable riding experience. The bike's design includes a front suspension fork that absorbs shocks from uneven terrain, enhancing comfort during longer rides or bumpy paths. The 48V20A removable lithium-ion battery offers impressive range up to 40 miles on a single charge under optimal conditions. This feature is particularly appealing for commuters who want peace of mind knowing they won't be left stranded. The battery can be easily removed for charging, making it convenient for urban settings. The Ranger is equipped with a user-friendly LCD display that provides essential information such as speed, distance traveled, and battery level. This transparency allows riders to monitor their performance and plan their journeys accordingly. Additionally, the bike comes with a variety of pedal assist modes, enabling riders to customize their experience, from leisurely rides to more intense workouts, catering to a wide array of skill levels. Braking power is equally impressive, featuring dual hydraulic disc brakes that ensure reliable stopping even at high speeds. It's an essential safety feature that gives riders confidence, especially when navigating busy streets or steep descents. Overall, the Heybike Ranger Electric Bike offers a powerful, versatile, and comfortable riding experience, making it an excellent choice for those looking for a reliable e-bike that can handle both urban and off-road environments. Its combination of speed, comfort, and durability makes it a solid investment for anyone serious about cycling.